Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to use this function, adding keys for Yamaha motorcycles. In cases where the customer has lost all keys but still has the original key ID code, using the AUTOTOOL SM device, we will connect the device, supply power, and follow the steps shown in my video. Alright, I'll demonstrate the process for everyone to see. Here, I have the original key ID code that the customer sent me. Enter the original key ID that has already been synchronized. Turn on the new key as instructed on the smartphone. The device will automatically program and enter the code to add the key. When the device enters the last character, pay attention to the indicator light on the Smart Key. When the indicator light turns on, press the key button once. The device indicates that the programming was successful. Now, let's go back and check the synchronization.